Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to disable the Erase Data After Failed Passcode Attempts feature on Dropbox. This updated method is perfect for anyone who wants to keep their files safe, but doesn't want the risk of losing everything after a few wrong password tries. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Once it's up and running, you'll want to head straight to the Settings menu. This is usually found by tapping your profile icon, or the gear icon, depending on whether you're using iOS or Android, but it should be clearly labeled as Settings. Now, within Settings, look for the option that says Configure Passcode. This section manages your passcode settings, including the security features tied to it. Tap on Configure Passcode to continue. Here's where you'll see the option labeled Erase Data. By default, this feature might be toggled on, meaning after a certain number of unsuccessful passcode attempts, all your Dropbox data could be wiped from your device. To prevent this, simply toggle this Erase Data switch off. Once you toggle it off, the app will ask you to confirm this change by entering your current passcode. This extra step ensures that only you can modify such an important security setting. Go ahead and enter your passcode carefully to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the feature that erases your Dropbox data after failed passcode attempts. Now, if someone enters the wrong passcode several times, your files will stay safe and intact on your device, giving you a little more peace of mind. Remember, while this makes accidental data loss less likely, it's still super important to keep your passcodes strong and private. This way, your Dropbox account remains secure without the worry of losing everything due to a few wrong guesses. Thanks for watching this straightforward guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.